Imagine uncovering a hidden treasure, a vintage car that has seen decades of history. But beneath the dust and wear lies a beauty waiting to be revealed. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey into the meticulous art of detailing a vintage car. From preserving original finishes to enhancing its timeless charm, we'll explore techniques that not only restore, but also celebrate the legacy of these automotive masterpieces. So, buckle up as we dive deep into the world of classic car detailing, because you won't want to miss the transformation that's about to unfold. 1. The importance of detailing. Detailing is more than just cleaning. It's about preserving history. Vintage cars often carry stories from a bygone era, and proper detailing ensures that these stories are not lost. By maintaining their original finishes and materials, we honor the craftsmanship that went into creating these automotive legends. 2. Initial assessment. Before diving into the detailing process, an initial assessment is crucial. Inspecting every inch of the car helps identify areas that need special attention, be it scratches on the paint, worn leather seats, or faded chrome accents. This step sets the foundation for a successful detailing journey. 3. Washing techniques. The first hands-on step is washing. For vintage cars, using a pH-balanced car shampoo is essential to avoid damaging the original paint. Soft microfiber towels and wash mitts are preferred to gently lift dirt without scratching the surface. The goal? To remove grime while preserving that beautiful finish. 4. Paint correction. Once clean, we move on to paint correction, a meticulous process that removes imperfections like swirl marks and light scratches. Using dual-action polishers and high-quality compounds, detailers carefully buff the surface to restore its luster. This step can take hours, but yields stunning results, revealing a depth of color that takes your breath away. 5. Preserving original finishes. Preserving original finishes is paramount in vintage car detailing. Instead of using harsh waxes or sealants, many detailers opt for natural carnauba wax or synthetic sealants specifically designed for classic cars. These products provide protection while allowing the paint to breathe, ensuring longevity without compromising authenticity. 6. Interior restoration. Now let's turn our attention to the interior. Vintage cars often feature unique materials like leather, wood, and vinyl that require special care. Using gentle cleaners and conditioners helps rejuvenate leather without stripping it of its natural oils. For wooden accents, specialized polishes enhance their shine while protecting against UV damage. 7. Chrome and trim care. Don't forget about chrome and trim. These elements can tarnish over time but can be restored with proper care. Using chrome polish and soft cloths, detailers carefully buff away oxidation and restore that brilliant shine, bringing back the sparkle that makes vintage cars so captivating. 8. Final touches. As we near completion, it's time for those final touches. Cleaning windows for crystal clarity, dressing tires for that showroom finish, and ensuring every detail shines bright. This is where passion meets precision. Every step matters in creating a masterpiece worthy of admiration. And there you have it. The meticulous art of detailing a vintage car has transformed this classic beauty into a stunning work of art once again. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of classic car restoration, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. What's your favorite part of detailing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, each like helps us continue bringing you amazing stories from the world of vintage cars. Stay tuned for our next adventure.